Hi you guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Breanna and I'm the Sprouts teacher here at the Well. So today we're going to put a special treat together for you guys. All you need is some yogurt, honey, some wheat germ, flax seeds, and raisins. First thing you're going to do is take your yogurt and put it into your mixing bowl. Go ahead and use the whole thing. You guys are going to love it. Next thing you want to do is add some honey. I love honey, so the more the better. Pro tip, it is a little easier for the kids to mix when it's a little warmer. So make sure the parents are there to help. We're going to give that a nice mix. Oh, it smells so great. I love the smell of honey. Mix it all in there nice and well. You want to make sure you don't see any streaks of that honey you put in. All right, that looks good. Next, we'll add some of our wheat germ. Don't worry about measurements. And we'll also add our flax seeds. Let's just put the whole thing in there. Give that a nice little turn. This is so simple to make. The kids will enjoy it. Friends and family will enjoy it. And it's a fun, interactive activity to do with your children. So we'll give that a nice mix. Make sure everything's nice and even. It looks about ready. So next, we'll grab our platter. And we're just going to pour this all over. Make sure it's nice and even. It smells so good, you guys. Okay. Let's just spread this out so it's nice and even and covers the whole platter. Okay. Now's the fun part, toppings. You can add things like raisins, sprinkles, chocolate, anything your mind can think of. Today we're going to use some raisins. Just sprinkle them on there. No order is necessary. You can make a design. This will be a fun time to work on letters, spelling out your name, whatever your heart desires. And we're all done. So now you put it in the freezer, let it chill, probably about 2 to 3 hours, and you'll be ready to eat it. Thanks for tuning in. Bye, guys.